Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the Life Builds YouTube channel. I'm Michael, and today you guys are joining us for part 2 of our jet ski build series. If you haven't seen it, you're gonna love it. You're gonna go check it out. But we basically, 2 days ago, we went and picked up a double set of jet skis in Portland, Oregon. And today, I start the rebuild. So I need to do a top end rebuild. I'm gonna go clean them up today, assess what I need to do, and just kind of show you guys around. So let's grab a set of keys. Let's get this on the road. Alrighty, I'll catch you guys at the jet skis. Alrighty, just got to the house and I'm gonna get started by washing these jet skis. However, problem has arose. I cannot find the bucket. I have a little Home Depot bucket I use for washing these. So I'm about to basically wash them without a bucket. We'll see how that goes, but whatever, I'll go get a bucket later. But we're just gonna rinse them off, get all this grime off of them, and get them cleaned up so we can start on the next part. Here they are. I think they turned out pretty nice. Still gotta let the water drain out of here, but they cleaned up a lot. So anyways, I have to run. I gotta get a haircut. I'll do a better wash later when I have a bucket and everything, but here they are, and let's go get my haircut. Alrighty, it's been about a month since I've started this car. Dead battery, dead battery. Look at that. Alrighty, so because my X5 is hooked up to the trailer, I decided to take my Montero to my haircut appointment. So let's go get this sheep trimmed. Catch you there. There you go. Got that fresh cut. My buddy Bailey hooked me up. Oh man, it feels so good to get a haircut. It's one of the best feelings. Anyways, I am heading home. Right now we're gonna get those jet skis started and I'll catch you at home. So I am home now. Here's the skis. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys why I am gonna be rebuilding the top ends. Now, this one, I knew it when I bought it. It doesn't really run that well. It's got very low compression in one cylinder. I was able to get a stupid price off of the deal because of that. This other one right here, it runs fine. I'm gonna do preventative maintenance to that one and just do the top ends, but I want to show you why I'm gonna be doing the top end on this one. The battery's a little low, so I don't know how well it'll crank, but basically it doesn't want to fully fire up. You see, it's pretty low compression. Yeah, you can kind of get it to stutter. I've gotten it to start twice, but you know, it's like you don't want to be messing with that at the lake, and I already know it's low compression, so I know how to fix that. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you the kit I'm gonna be buying for these, and then catch you inside. I don't know how well you can see that, but this is the kit I'm gonna be using from WSM. I've heard good things about them. The price is very reasonable, and I'm gonna do 2 of them, so double that price plus some other gaskets and whatever I'm gonna do while I'm there. I'm gonna inspect the crank when I'm down there on the one with low compression and just see how it is, if it needs to be machined or if I need to buy a new one. But that's what we're looking at. Now, I'm gonna order those parts right now, and I will catch you guys in about a week or so when we dig in, get them machined and whatever, and catch you then. Alrighty, it's been a week, a little bit over a week, and all the parts are in. And that means today we start tearing into this engine. So I have my manual, there you go. Yeah, I have my manual pulled up. I just finished putting the other ski back together. We had swapped a bunch of parts when I was buying it, so already been grinding away. But I want you to know I've never done a top end rebuild, so you know if I'm doing something wrong, it's because I've never done it before. But reading the manual, and let's just get started because there's no other way to learn. I just finished pulling the rest of the top end off, and I wanted to show you guys something real quick. Look at that scarring on cylinder 1. That's why that cylinder had 30 psi. But heading over here, kind of show you my parts pile. And this is the cylinder. I'm gonna get this one machined out, but not even bad, honestly. I'm not sure what got in there or what caused it to etch the wall so bad of the piston. It probably was a gasket or something. I'm replacing all of them anyways, but just giving you guys a heads up. I'm gonna take that to a machine shop. I'm gonna get it bored 0.5 millimeters over, which will give it a little bit more horsepower and also fix everything up. So I'm not gonna show me doing the second ski because there's no point. Obviously I'm tired too. I need to go get some rest, but I'll catch you guys when we get all the parts back. Welcome back. It is about 5 days later now. I have just gotten all the parts back from the machine shop, and I'll show you. They did a wonderful job. Look at this cylinder. I don't know if you can see that, but it is phenomenal. And I got my pistons right here. I got them already assembled. Brand new everything. And now we have to get it put back together. So put you guys back on a time lapse. We'll get to work. Okay, I just finished the top end rebuild. Battery's connected, airbox, everything is connected. I'm very stressed because I've never done a top end rebuild, but I'm gonna set you guys up and we'll see if it can start. Oh, I am stressed. good. Hey, it's running. Okay, let's get it hooked up to the water hose and we'll take it outside. Okay, I got the water connected. Let's fire this thing up again and let her run out a little bit. All right, she's running. Got the. Well, guys, I just finished running both jet skis in water, and oh my gosh, it was greatest feeling to have known that I didn't mess up the top end rebuild. So anyways, guys, I just rinsed them off a little bit. They had a lot of oil on them from the rebuilds, and I am going to go drop them off at the storage unit. So that means it's the end of the video. However, make sure to come back for part 3, because I will be taking these out to the river very shortly in the next week or 2, making sure they run well, because I don't know, I've never taken them out. I don't even know if they float. So hope they do. So make sure to come back for part 3. With that being said, make sure to subscribe, like, and follow for more content, such as me rebuilding this GSXR, me teaching my girlfriend how to ride a motorcycle, and many more adventures. So thank you guys for coming along today. Catch you next time.